Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called the Home Decor Luxe Club and it's Veda Squad, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Okay, so we're going to be bringing you all kinds of decor ideas during the month of April every Saturday. So make sure and stay tuned. Eastern Standard Time would be 6 o'clock. And let's jump right into the video, guys. Okay, so the main host is Glam Elegant Living, that's Lady Allie, and then we have Creations by Simone, the Rodgers House, Amethyst Adventures, DIY Design by CCW, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. Now I'm going to be linking the hosts and the hostesses down below in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist for all kinds of decor ideas. Okay, now let's jump right into this video. So I'm going to be making a glam vase with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I purchased these two different separate pieces over from the party section. We're going to use one of the bowls as the skirt for this vase, and then we're going to go ahead and embellish this in gold. We're going to be using the bling wrap in gold, and we're also going to be using some glitter. So here what I'm doing is I'm going to be using some paint instead of Mod Podge first. And that's because when it fully dries, I don't want you to be able to see through into the inside of the vase. So we're going to use paint, then glitter, and then we're going to wait for that to dry. And then we're going to seal that in with some Mod Podge. You'll see what I mean. Okay, so I'm getting ready to show you exactly what that vase is looking like after it's fully dry. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? So we move that over to the side, and now we're going to start with the bottom piece, which it is a bowl, but because it's pleated, we're going to go ahead and use that as a skirt for that vase. Now what you see me doing here is painting the inside of the bowl, which is really going to be facing down. But like I said, when this dries, you won't be able to see in through that bottom piece also. So we went ahead and painted that. We're going to go ahead and add glitter to that later on. But now we're going to move over to the gold Easter eggs. And so we're going to glue those shut because those open up. And we're going to be setting these in the inside or nesting them inside of the vase. Now here I'm giving it the second coat of the gold paint, and then we're going to go ahead and add the glitter and roll that around on the inside. Let that dry, and remember, we seal that in with Mod Podge when we're done. So now the Dollar Tree's carrying these cute little styrofoam bunnies. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to color them, and then I'm going to be using this in a separate DIY. So now these bunnies are so adorable. Let me show you exactly how I use these. So now that DIY came out absolutely beautiful. So now we're going to move on to this decorate with me with the coffee table. So now I just want to say that I hope that you guys enjoy your Easter holiday. I hope that it's blessed, that you're surrounded by love and friends. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and leave you to music while I finish decorating this coffee table. Okay, I couldn't resist. I purchased that little tier tray that you see there at one of the stores. I think it was Goodwill. It was an awesome buy. I just had to say that real quick. It's so cute. So now I do want to thank Lady Allie from Glam Elegant Living for hosting this collab along with all these beautiful ladies. So now we go ahead and light the candles, and now we're getting ready to head on over to the reveal. I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.